Hello guys, in this video I gonna tell you about the logical operators applied on non-boolean variables, non-boolean values. So in last video we have already talked about applying logical operators on boolean data. So in this video we will talk about applying logical operators on non-boolean data. As we know that there are three logical operators, that is and, or, and not. So let me open Jupyter Notebook and execute you all the things. Let me open new notebook. So as we all know that how many logical operators are there? Logical operators are of three, right? So can you tell what are they? Or, and, or, and not. Is this clear? So this is the first type of logical operators that are available. What are the second most important thing while we are talking about mm, logical operators for non-boolean variables. Now we are applying for non-boolean data. For boolean data, we have talked about in last video. In this video, we will be talking about non-boolean data. So while we are talking about non-boolean data, zero represents what zero is representing. Zero is representing false, and non-zero is representing true, guys. Non-zero is representing as true. Okay, now. So this is very important while we are talking about non-boolean things. And one more thing is the of result of non-boolean non-boolean values applied with logical operators is either x or y, x or y, but not true or false, guys. Is clear? So this is one important point, guys. While we are applying while we talked about the result of the logical operators, result of the logical operators on Boolean data, we will be getting output as either true or false. But while we are applying this on non-Boolean values, we will be getting either x or y. First, let us talk about AND operation. Okay, now if x is results if x results if x results false, what if x results false? Then automatically the result of that logical operation is x, guys. Okay, now so if x is results if x results if x results true, guys, if x is resulting true, then we should talk about y also, right? We should take y consideration into y, that is the result y. The result will be y, guys. The result will be y. Is this clear? So this is what the formula what we need to apply here. So this is very easy, because if both operands are true only, then output of and will be true, right? So if one operator is false, automatically the result will be false, right? So if x is resulting in false, then we don't bother about y. That is the reason why x is the output. If x is true, we need to consider y also, right? That is the reason why result is y. Let us take one example, 20 and 30. 20 and 30. So here 20 is non-zero. Non-zero means true. True, and if x result in true, what is our result? Output is y. So result is y 30. See, y is an output, right? So if x, let me take another example, that is Naga and Shekhar. This is clear. So if x here, x is Naga. Naga is non-zero. Non-zero means true. Yes or no? True. If x results in true, automatic result is y. Y means Shekhar. It's clear. Now let me take one example. That is space, and here I am taking empty and Shekhar. What will be the output? If x is here, x is empty. Empty means false. False means x. So see here, it is non-zero, right? So x is non-zero. Non-zero means true. True means X is returning true here. True means we need to get y value. That is the reason why we are getting y value. So 0 and 1 guy. 0 and 1. If it is 0 and 1, what we need to get? X is 0. 0 means false. False means we need to get X only. So we need to get 0 here. That is the reason why we are getting 0. I think this is clear for you. Yeah. Yeah. Now let us move on to logical OR operator. Logical OR operator. See, logical OR operator is very contrast to this, guys. So here, what is thing what we need to know while we are talking about X is, while you are talking of R is, if 1 is true, automatically result is true, right? So if X is true, what we need to get? We need to get X only. We don't bother about Y value, right? So if X is true, what we need to get? We need to get X value. If X is false, again we need to check for Y value. So if X is false, we need to get Y. It is very complement of the AND, right? Is this clear? So let me make it as and B. So okay now let me take one example, 20 and 30. So see here, X is non-zero. Non-zero means true. True or it is true or, right? True or anything. If X is true, then automatically value will be X, right? So X is 20. So it is written 20. This is clear? Now let me take one example, 0 and 10. So here X is false because X is 0. 0 means false. False is X returns false, then automatic result will be Y, right? It is 0 only, right? 0 and I am writing, sorry, here I need to write R, right? See, I am getting 0. 0 means false. If X returns false, then automatically Y will be the result, right? So I am getting Y10. Is it clear? This is for a logical AND, this is for logical OR. What is about logical NOT? Not is very simple, guys. Whatever may be the case, it will returning only true or false. True or false only. Okay na? See, if not of 10, what might be the case? Not of 10, I am writing not of 10. 10 means non-zero. Non-zero means true. True of not of true. Not of true means false. So I am getting false. Not of 0. 0 means false. False, not false means true. So I am getting true. This is clear? This is about the things while we are applying on non-boolean types, right? So non-boolean values. For boolean values, we will be getting output as true and false. But for non-boolean values, we will not getting true and false. We will be getting either X or Y. So in AND, if X is false, then result is Y. If X is true, result is Y. So in OR, if X is false, then the result is Y. If X is true, then the result is X. In NOT, we will be getting same like boolean values only. You will be getting true or false. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please put them on the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.